In this video, I will show you how you can lock the apps on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just set the lock screen passcode on your iPad. As you can see, I have already set a lock screen passcode, but if you have not set one yet, just go to settings, then just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Then in this section, just tap on Turn on passcode and set a lock screen passcode for your iPad. And after you do that, you will be able to lock apps on your iPad. Now, after you set the lock screen passcode, now just go to your home screen. Now just select the app which you want to lock. For example, I will lock this app. Now just tap and hold on the app which you want to lock. And from this menu, just select Require Passcode. Now, from here, just tap on Require Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. And after you do that, you will lock the selected app on your iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.